Welcome to another episode in our Splunk SPL command series. Today, learn about the multikv command, a powerful tool for parsing multi-line key-value formatted data into structured fields. The multikv command is essential when working with configuration files, log entries, or any text data that contains key-value pairs spread across multiple lines. This command automatically detects and extracts these pairs, converting unstructured text into searchable, analyzable fields within your Splunk environment. The multikv command serves two primary purposes in Splunk. First, it extracts key-value pairs from multi-line text data and converts them into structured fields. This means taking raw, unformatted text and turning it into organized data that can be easily searched and analyzed. Second, the command automatically parses configuration files, log entries, and other structured text formats. Instead of manually parsing through complex text data, multikv does the heavy lifting for you, identifying patterns and extracting meaningful information automatically. The basic syntax for the multikv command is straightforward. You start with the command name multikv, followed by optional parameters. The three main parameters are field, which lets you specify the source field to parse instead of using the default raw field, forceheader, which allows you to force the header row position when dealing with structured data, and filter, which accepts a regular expression to filter specific key-value pairs. These parameters give you control over how the command processes your data. To understand how multikv works, let's examine a typical input scenario. On the left, you see raw multi-line text containing key-value pairs separated by equals signs. Each line contains a different piece of information. Name equals John Smith, age equals 30, department equals engineering, location equals New York, and status equals active. On the right, you see how this data should be structured after processing. Each key becomes a field name, and each value becomes the corresponding field value, creating organized, searchable data from the original unstructured text. The simplest way to use multikv is with a basic search command followed by a pipe symbol and the multikv command. This simple syntax automatically detects and extracts key-value pairs from the default field called _raw. The command scans through your data, identifies patterns that look like key-value pairs, and creates new fields for each key it finds. This makes previously unstructured text data immediately searchable and analyzable within your Splunk environment. For more advanced use cases, multikv offers additional options. The first example shows how to specify a custom field using the field parameter. Instead of processing the default raw field, you can tell multikv to process a specific field called custom_data. The second example demonstrates using the filter parameter with a regular expression. The filter pattern --parenthesis name pipe age pipe status parenthesis tells multikv to only extract key-value pairs where the key matches name, age, or status, ignoring other keys that might be present in the data. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.